Hi guys, this is my little rolling cart that I have some nail supplies on, or things that have to do with nails, but it's kind of empty because I need to reorganize it. Down here I just have liquids like alcohol, nail polish remover, things like that. This is the foot pedal to my electric drill. I think these were the tools to put this cart together, but since it's together I can put it away now. So I was thinking to maybe reorganize it again, and I might do that with you. I need to put all of these things away, and I was gonna buy a whole nother drawer, like an Alex drawer, and I think I still might do that, but for now I think I'm just gonna reorganize my rolling cart so I can have access to this stuff. I don't know if you can tell, but these little organizers are stacked up, and these are too, so I'm gonna try to reorganize my rolling cart. I have not even sat at my table for a few days, so I need to put all of this away. This is what I use to create my newest set. I'm going to just turn my light on. And yeah, we're just going to organize this together. So let's do it. So I think on the top, I'm going to put my most used products. So whatever I use for a set, whatever I need the most, the things that I use all the time to, you know, do my sets, I think that I want to put on top. So we're going to start with that. So right now I just have an armrest up here. Under that I just have a little dish, a tiny silicone mat, which I want to get a bigger one, so I'm going to work on that. And then I have these organizers here. But over here in that organizer I have things that I use all the time. So we're going to bring that to my cart. Also, there are a couple things in this cup that I use all the time. Obviously, I use these things for my sets as well, so let's see. And you know, I'm hoping that all of this stuff fits in my cart, and if it doesn't, then I will just, I don't know, figure something out, or wait till I get my other drawer to probably put the rest of the, you know, whatever's left in that drawer. So I'm just going to place this guy over here. So I'm going to be using this one instead. I'm only using this because it's like a non-slip grip little mat, so that whatever I put up here doesn't slide around. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to fit, you know, cut it so that the corners fit, so that it doesn't look crazy. And then, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So, things that I use, you know, every time I do a set, I'm going to place up top here, like I said. So we're going to grab everything, and then we'll organize it. Hey, so I want to quickly say, my heat just popped on, so I'm going to try to do this part quickly. I have a wax warmer that I don't really use anymore. I want to get another style. So I'm going to show you in another video how to get your gel polishes to loosen up with one of these wax warmers. So stay tuned. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but we are going to clean up together and kind of reorganize and finish up. So let's go. No, so these are actually makeup organizers. I just rinsed it because it was a little dusty. But I love these for organizing makeup also, but love them, as you can see, for organizing my nail stuff. So if you can find these, love them, because there's different slots and you can fit a lot in it. They're not that big, but yeah, so I'm going to dry that up with some paper towels so we can utilize it. So just quickly, if you're wondering, so far on the top we have, well, we still have to organize a little bit, but I just have gel builder that I use often up here. This is the solid gel that I use, so I just keep that there. Sometimes I use this as a dapping dish, but when I got these, I started to use these as well, but I keep that one around close, just like, you know, maybe I needed to use alcohol and acetone at the same time, even though I have more of these little ones. So Then I have, sorry if you hear things in the background, I have, my heater is, you know, going nuts. The boiler, whatever it's called. So I have cuticle oil here, a sharpener, a smaller little brush. Then I have glue. This is my favorite glue that I use right now, and it's really hard to find that specific glue. I think I got it in a kit. I'm trying to see if they have it in bulk. And then this Metal Ones glue I haven't used yet because I'm trying to use this one up first, but I just have them there. Then I have some cuticle pushers, excuse me, a plastic one, and then some wooden ones, a really tiny file. And then here I have a dotting tool. This is like one of those diamond, how do you call them? Those diamond painting tools. This guy, and I'm trying to see, I did a little test to see if I can put the wax and on it and then try to pick up rhinestones, and the wax was not really waxing with the rhinestones. So I'm gonna still keep the tool, but I'm gonna figure something out because I really feel like it'll work. I just gotta figure it out. If not, I just use my little wax pencil, what do we call them? And then these are also for rhinestones as well, to pick them up. So I just keep them there, right? And then my little finger holder, is that what this is? Stand. So you just put your finger on it and you hold your finger steady there while you do your nail art. I find these very useful. So we're going to put her there. And then I have some brushes. This is just a little old makeup brush that I use for dusting off my nails. Buffer files, brushes. These are some gel swatch sticks that I practice stamping with. So I already have some old stamping on there that I'm probably going to remove so that we can start stamping again. But these images are easily removable, and I probably will make a video on how to do that. So these have been on there, you know, forever. A little dropper. So I'm gonna organize all of this, and then I'll be right. Oh, wouldn't be a video of mine if I didn't knock something over or spill it. All right, and then I have a couple of things in here. So let's get to organizing all this. I'm thinking maybe to put these in the organizer as well. I also use these things a lot too, so I'm thinking to add those to the cart as well. And then this guy over here is something that I grab for all the time as well. So I might add this guy to the cart as well. So this looks like a lot up here. Let me turn this cart. I'm on my dusty brush. So it looks like a lot, right? So I think all we have to do is kind of reorganize everything, or reposition maybe. So because this little organizer is a little bit big and taller, I think I want that one to be there. Let's see, if I move these forward, I think if I move these forward, it's better that way. Should I keep it like that? I don't know. I think for now we'll keep it like this, and if we need to change it out, we will change it again. But this is what the top of my cart is going to look like so far. I think right here, we're going to put my armrest. So we're going to do it just like that. I could even add this to here if I wanted to. I know it's not going to stay there, but it's not going to sit flat either. We're just going to leave her right under there, and then we're going to have my armrest there, and that's it. That's all that's going to go on top of this cart, because that's already a lot going on. But this is, you know, I reach for this stuff a lot, so that's why I want to have easy access to it on the top. This organizer, I think we're going to just put it right back where this was located. And that is going to be that. I might even add it. I still have a lot of organizing to do with this table, but we'll just keep her right there, I guess. And now we have this second shelf. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear everything out, and then we'll continue. FYI, if you hear noises in the background, like roarings, or like, I don't know, machine sounds, my kitchen is this way, and the refrigerator makes noise, so that's what that is. Just letting you know, it's a nuisance. So normally when I record my voiceovers, I have to be in a part of the, you know, my home that is not so loud, so it doesn't pick up any, you know, white noise or anything. So I would avoid this area where my, you know, because my kitchen and like my nail area is not far from each other. So that's, you know, that might be a reason why you're hearing things in the background. I just wanted to run that by you, okay? So sorry about that. Sometime in the future we might not have that problem. So yeah, we have nails that I'm collecting here. I have new stamping plates. This is like my bin or basket with new stamping plates that I haven't reviewed yet at all, so I keep them here to remind myself. My big lint roller that I need to peel the little tape from. I have oils that I actually made this oil here. This is just, what is this? I can't remember what's in here, but it's oil. Is it coconut oil? It might be coconut oil. I think it's coconut oil. Softener in here, cuticle softener, and then I have these oils with dried flowers in them. One back here as well, that I haven't even used. Scissors. Then in this organizer here, we just have cuticle oils, okay? And then we'll get to the bottom shelf. So this is going to be a little bit difficult for me to record, so I might kind of organize this a little bit and then come back to you. I just wiped it down with some alcohol. So the really cool thing about these organizers is that you can position them in so many ways, however you'd like. They're nice and sturdy. I bought these off of Amazon. I uploaded a video about these a while ago. If you're interested, so you can go ahead and look for that. I'll try to find it and link it below. But see, if I didn't want them this way, I could put them this way. I'm trying to think of, you know, I want there to be space for these smaller ones. So see, I have smaller ones here. Don't mind what's in them for now, because we can reorganize that later. But we can go 3 across this way. And we can put, let's see, we can put 3 more across that way, and we still have space here. So again, you can reposition these however you'd like, and can go like that if you like. It can go many different ways. So off camera I'll figure that out, but this is what I wanted to do to my cart so that It's kind of works more efficiently for me. I think I might bring a couple of, yeah, look at this. I think I might bring a couple of things from up top here down there, but maybe I'll do that towards the end of the video so we can continue. We are going to get to organizing this bottom shelf now. So just like the other shelves, I'm going to clear out all of this stuff. Move the little baskets off to the side because they were really just in the way. I have cleared and cleaned it. Sorry we are on the floor, but this is how it's easiest for me to organize. So I have a couple of these left, and then I wanted to put everything in here in these organizers. Now this might change up, but I need to, I'm probably going to reorganize this thing as well, but for now, let's see, can we fit more like this or like this? Probably like this. And then we can fit one more. Boom, boom, boom. And then we still have a little space here, so that's when we can break these down. And I think, let's see, let's do this. Boom, boom. I love these little orange block buffers. They are so far my favorite. And boom, and that's how we're going to do it. We're going to add this to the cart. Then we have this freed up. So this is what we got so far. I have my buffers, cotton balls that I use for when I am stamping. This I just decided to fill with my cuticle oils. I have another empty container back there, and then I think I'm going to keep that there. And I'm just trying to figure out what else is going to go down here. I had got these little beautiful bowls a while ago, and I really wanted to use them, so I'm going to use them in here, and we're just going to fill them up with extra things that we need. So this is what we're looking at so far. I changed things up just a little bit. I'll show you the final outcome when I'm done. So right in here we have soak off caps. These are for toes because they're wider. Let's see. Right here is for your big toe. See how it says toe? And then these I have in here are for fingers. So I'm just going to keep them separate but together at the same time. Actually, I don't think I want to keep them in here. Okay, so that I don't get confused, I'm going to keep, this might change, but I'm going to keep the fingers soak off caps in here and then the toes in here. I think I might move a couple of things around again, but so far this is what we have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love doing organizing videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.